So this is my first bike. It's a gsxr600. I hope my microphone is working. First moto vlog. About to drive like 3 minutes down the road, so not even 3 minutes. So I'll have to pick it up after I get off of work. But right now, it's kind of cold out. Not gonna lie, it's like 45 degrees. But I haven't road ridden, in like 3 days. So I was kind of feeling like riding. Yeah, I definitely feel like riding. I am gonna do a pre-check. Don't worry about it. Oh my gosh, bro, I'm 6'4", and sport bikes. Well, this one at least. I put these tank things on. Nah, dog. My tanks are like above these. I mean, my knees are like above the tank. That's tough, eh? That's super tough, eh? Okay. So that's God to watch over me during this ride. I know it is down the street, down to work, but anything can happen. And amen. Oh yeah, and it's straight piped. So my bad. Alright, we're vibing. Let's go. Get my feeding in the right space. It's so loud. It's so loud. That's ridiculous. I gotta be in 4th gear just to not be like a menace to society, dude. It's like 10:50 a.m. People are pissed. I definitely should have downshifted, but holy, it is cold, baby. It is freezing. Yeah, I don't even have a temperature on my bike. Don't do that. I miss shifts. You see that? Or hear it? I have cold tires right now, so I'm not trying to do anything wild like I can anyways. Alright, and just like that, I'm turning into work. Yeah, bro, I told you it was like a 30-second ride. Oh, this is awkward. I guess I'll park next to my boss. Oh shit, I almost fell. Oh my gosh. I actually just almost ate shit. That's wild. I actually just almost ate shit. Alright, well, I'll probably pick back up with it after my shift. I shouldn't be working too long. But yeah, thank you for watching. I look kind of sweet in my coworker's car. And I'll be right back. Not thank you for watching. I'm tripping. First motor vlog. Give me a break. Yeah. What's up? What's up? I'm off of work. The sad thing is though, I gotta come back at 5. Actually 4:45. It's a little warmer than it was when I came this morning. Pause. And I might just have to take a little detour. Ah! You guys definitely saw that spider. Hell no. Yeah, it might take me a little detour. Just like an actual little one. I can't ride too long. I gotta come back, sadly. I really don't know what to talk about. This is my first moto vlog, besides the one that's on my channel right now that's kind of like dog shit. But I mean, I'm 18. Starting on a gsxr600, baby. Yes sir. You already know what's good. Bro, I'm definitely cutting this out of the video. I'm 6'3", dude. 6'4", 6'5", 6'6". Alright. I mean, I'm a new rider, so I'm gonna mess up a lot, but you only get better by practice. Facts? This thing is so fun. Oh, hell no. You see my light? Bro, what is this? Bro, I gotta go home. Oh, no. Sorry for the humming, it's straight piped. I'm kind of sad as heck. Bro, I'm kind of disappointed. Like, I don't know what that means, dude. Does it mean I need oil? That sucks, dude. Bro, I don't know what that means. Bruh, that's sad, eh? I was gonna go on a little longer ride if I didn't see that light. Well, I guess that's gonna do it for my first moto vlog with my gsxr600. No idea what I'm gonna title it. I don't even know how to make thumbnails, but hey, I gotta start somewhere, right?